Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexclips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 7th of August 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading analysis from my side. Okay, now let's move towards the today's analysis. And Euro USD with a bullish expectation from 112076 and 112658 was the target price. However, you can see guys, the market has went up to 112415. So this was the gap only we have taken on Euro USD. If you look at the daily pattern on the chart, then you can see that Euro USD is clearly up. So overall it's in a bullish zone, and I have already provided the video about the weekly forecast in the previous week. So overall it's into the bullish zone. Now let's talk about the USDJPY. Let me take you towards the chart, and I'm going to take you towards the signals report. So USDJPY with a bearish expectation from 106195 and 105512 was the target price. And guys, you can see a big drop on USDJPY, and it hit the target price with no problem. So congratulations to all those traders who have taken the sell positions today on USDJPY. They must have ended up with good profits. Okay guys, yesterday we have a drop on New Zealand USD, and today 200 forex clips had turned itself into bullish on USD. New Zealand USD 0644098 was the bullish entry, and 064685 was the target price. And guys, you can see today I was expecting the recovery, and you can see the market has already made the recovery. New Zealand USD has moved up and it has touched the target price. So congratulations to the traders who have taken the buy positions today on this pair. Now let's talk about the AUDUSD. AUDUSD was going down from a very long time, but today 200 forex clips has predicted a bullish trend in case of AUDUSD. 067222 was the bullish entry, and 067690 is the target price. And guys, you can see let me switch my chart. Okay, now you can see from the entry the market started to go up, and it has almost hit the target price with no problems. So congratulations to all traders who have taken the buy positions today on AUDUSD. They must have ended up with very good profits. Okay, now let's talk about the USDCHF, another satisfied signal of the day. USDCHF with a bearish expectation from 097486 and 096981 was the target price. And guys, you can see the drop is here, and within the 4-hour time frame we have hit the target price with no problem. So congratulations to the traders who have taken the sell positions today on USDCHF. Okay, now let's talk about the semi-signal that hit today is EURJPY. EURJPY was with the bearish expectation from 118912. However, it went down slightly down. It went 50% of the signal that 118442, and after that it has moved up. So if you have traded this zone, then you must have caught the profit. But overall, if some traders have active trades on the EURJPY, they must note that it should be closed within the 50 pip stop loss. Okay, now let's talk about the last signal of the day. That's AUDJPY with a clear bullish expectation from 71487 and 72285 is the target price. And guys, you can see it has clearly breaks the entry, and AUDJPY is moving up. It's into the upward direction. Okay guys, this is for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel. Let me explain about the trading system. You can see the red boundaries indicator on the chart. So how to use this one? Whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary and it's getting the rejection, then you can sell the pair. And whenever you see market is into the lower red boundary and if it's gaining the momentum, then you can buy the pair. Look how sweetly the price monitor has turned green, and AUDJPY has moved up. And moreover, the scalper has pointed the sell position here in the form of red arrow, and then we have a drop, and today it has pointed us with a buy arrow in the form of white signal, and then AUDJPY has moved up. Guys, this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype onto my live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexclips.com. Please do like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.